Since the creation of the world, the human civilization has presented profound philosophy and massive history accumulation to the utmost depth and farness, and witnessed numerous vicissitudes along with the evolvement of times. Can the culture connotation and strength in trade be revealed with such a power without historic accumulation? Striving pain for 20 years has created an outstanding enterprise, Jinlan Group. Jinlan Group enjoys a long history, powerful strength, and a large scale. It was founded in 1983 with the former name of Foshan Lanshi Aluminum Profile Plant. Through development and market competition for 2 decades, Jinlan people have taken the opportunity of overall restructuring and transform Lanshi Aluminum Profile Plant into Jinlan Aluminum Profile Plant. The management integration and overall technological renovation has resulted in the rapid development of the enterprise and emergence of today's enterprise group. The increasing expansion of steel and aluminum market volume in China is more and more internationalized. In order to respond to the competition of international magnets of steel and aluminum, Jinlan Group has put huge investment in Gaoming District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, since 2003, so as to make it to be a large-scale processing base of plain carbon steel, cold rolled steel, and non-ferrous metals with first-class technology and equipment at home. It has set up Foshan Jinshi Jinlan Rolled Steel Company Limited and moved aluminum production to Gaoming Production Base. Jinlan Gaoming Production Base is located at state-level Kangjiang Industrial Zone, Yanghe Town, Gaoming District, Foshan City, and covers 650 mu of land. It enjoys developed transportation and favorable geographical condition. It is only 50 kilometers from Changcheng District, Foshan City, with many highways to Gaoming Bridge. To cross Gaoming Bridge and drive for 10 kilometers, you can access Jinlan Gaoming Production Base with large-scale and novel design. Gaoming Production Base is specialized in production of plain carbon steel, cold-rolled sheet, galvanized sheet, aluminum sheet, and aluminum profile, with annual output at 700,000 tons. Jinlan Group owns advanced equipment with top level both at home and abroad, and congregates the elite of present China in steel and aluminum processing technology. The core equipment for plain carbon steel cold rolled sheet includes large size 1480 6-high reversible steel and aluminum rolling mill, 1200 4-high steel cold rolling mill, 1250 steel continuous cold rolling mill, and so on. All the cold rolling mills are equipped with the globally most advanced X-ray thickness gauge made by Global Gauge Company, and the production is organized in strict accordance with national and international standards. The thickness range for cold rolled sheet and galvanized sheet is 0.25 to 1.2 millimeters, and the maximum width range is 1,250 millimeters. The annual output for cold rolled sheet and galvanized sheet is 450,000 and 180,000 tons, respectively. The aluminum sheet, strip and foil production lines can produce 1 XXX series, 3 XXX series, 8011, 5052A, and other high-precision pure aluminum or aluminum alloy sheet, strip, and foil with thickness range between 0.1 to 5.0 millimeters, maximum width range 1,350 millimeters, and output 25,000 tons. Jinlan Aluminum is one of the first producers obtaining production license and drafters of National Aluminum Material Standard. In addition to conventional casement window, sliding window, and glass curtain wall, it has also developed heat insulation energy-saving profiles. decorative aluminum profiles, and many profiles for industrial use, with his operation strategy focusing on building profiles and industrial profiles. In the aspect of aluminum profile surface treatment, it can undertake anodode oxidation, electrophoresis coating, color static powder spray coating, fluorocarbon spray coating, wood grain imitation, and so on. The 21st century sees the obvious acceleration of economic globalization process, rapid development of science and technology, and significant and profound change of world economy and capacity in scientific and technological innovation has become a leading factor of international competition. Jinnan Group has been implementing the development strategy of revitalizing enterprise through science and technology, and firmly taking the road of combining production, marketing, and research. It has been combining independent research and development with introduction and absorption of domestic and overseas advanced technologies, transforming traditional industry with modern technology, increasing investment in science and technology so as to upgrade added value of products, realize the modernization and automation of production techniques, and continuously enhance the core competition of enterprise. The 160 teeth radiator material made by the company takes the leading position in the country. Jinnan has won the favor of users for its excellent brand, fine product quality, and perfect service level. The products are widely used in real estate, electronics, communication, machinery, household electric appliance, and other fields. Some real estate and government projects are more graced for use of Jinnan brand aluminum profiles, which have high level both in appearance and quality. The products are used in many well-known projects such as Shenzhen New Century Plaza, Guangxi Investment Company Building, Guangzhou Everbright Bank Mansion, Shenzhen Zhongxing Mansion, Hainan Boao Forum Conference Hall, Shanghai Business Center, Beijing Olympic Garden, Guangxi Development Mansion, Shanghai Sanfeng Mansion, Macau Apartment Building, Nanyue Mansion, North Vanke Garden Project, Shanghai Weihai Composite Building, Guangzhou Mingsheng Square, Macau Huanyu Exquisite Garden, Macau Luyuan, Macau Chuanhui Garden, Macau Ocean Garden, and so on. Jinnan Group has been running through the value of human-oriented and establishing a complete system in such 5 aspects of setting up human-oriented conception, promoting human-oriented atmosphere, improving human-oriented quality, strengthening human-oriented inspiration, and intensifying human-oriented restriction. As a newly emerging steel and non-ferrous production and processing base, Jinnan's products have occupied a considerable share in Chinese market. Jinnan Group has independent import and export rights, and its products have been sold to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe, USA, Russia, and other countries and regions. Individuality presented through brand has been a pronoun of corporate image in market economy. Jinnan Group has been adhering to implementation of brand strategy in order to tap and occupy market with Jinnan brand products. In 2003, Jinnan brand products have been awarded the titles of National Inspection-Free Product, Name Brand Product of Guangdong Province, and Famous Trademark of Guangdong Province, amongst others. Jinnan Group has been dedicating to creating its corporate culture with creating name brand as its core, taking the chance to meet the challenge of knowledge economy, blending itself into the tide of economy globalization, and making efforts to turn Jinnan brand into a world-famous brand. Jinnan has been experiencing numerous hardships in the past 2 decades and standing on the top tide of market with a heroic spirit. Metallurgy, trade and real estate, and other flourishing industries. Jinnan people have achieved a brilliant cause with their wisdom and efforts. For 20 years, Jinnan people have been working diligently on their land and striving hard to be larger, stronger, and better. Scientific administration and culture management have become its two wings of successful operation. Jinnan people have carried sail well in advance with its far sight and unique style. To get Midas touch and produce elaborate products so as to make Jinnan aluminum profile well known all over the country. Jinnan Group is willing to undertake sincere cooperation with all the friends and work with them hand in hand to create a brighter future.